How bright is the Seacroft Solar Spotlight? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Seacroft Solar Spotlight. Let's get into it. The Seacroft Solar Spotlight is entirely solar powered, which means there are no wires and no energy bills. Let's open the box and find out how to install it. So inside the box we have the instructions, the light with the integrated solar panel, the stake and the remote. This light is 9.5 centimeters wide, 11 centimeters deep and 15 centimeters tall. The solar panel is 9 centimeters wide and 14 centimeters tall, and the stake is 17.5 centimeters tall. To install this light, simply attach the stake and the light together, then adjust your solar panel and you're done. It really is that simple. When you install this light, it's really important to note that there are no obstructions in the way of the solar panel. This could be trees, objects, walls, anything, as this will stop the solar panel from working effectively. With this light, you're able to adjust the head up and down by 180 degrees. Just make sure whatever angle you choose, the solar panel is as south-facing as possible. You can turn this light on by pressing the on-off button on the back of the light, or you can use the remote. The remote control has a few settings. You can use it to change the colour temperature, including warm white, neutral and cool white, which is perfect to suit different moods or occasions. You can also use the remote to change the brightness of the light. The settings are 30%, 60% or 100%. On a full brightness, this light has 200 lumens, so you may want to choose a lower percentage for a softer glow in your garden. And finally, you can use the remote to set different timers, including 4-hour, 6-hour and 8-hour timers. This light is built to withstand the elements, including the harsh British winters, making it the perfect spotlight for year-round use. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.